S4hana GTS Global Trade Services Online Training. Learn and improve your skills and knowledge and upgrade your profile with industry experts by Proexcellency. Introduction to SAP S4hana Global Trade Services. SAP GTS, short for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, stands as a comprehensive solution tailored to the complex arena of global trade management. Irrespective of a business's size, this platform is designed to offer a seamless and automated approach to handling global trade processes. With SAP GTS, organizations can embrace a singular platform that oversees the entirety of global trade operations, encompassing product classification, trade compliance, export control, and international trade logistics. The core foundation of SAP GTS lies in its integration with the SAP S4hana platform. This synergy grants businesses a real-time, holistic perspective on their global trade endeavors. This real-time insight empowers enterprises to make well-informed decisions regarding their global trade activities, ultimately leading to heightened operational efficiency and enhanced profitability. Why use SAP S4hana Global Trade Services for global trade management? SAP S4hana Global Trade Services offers a range of key benefits for global trade management. Comprehensive features. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services provides a complete toolkit for managing all aspects of global trade, from compliance to reporting and analytics. Seamless integration. It seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions like finance and supply chain management, ensuring efficient global trade process management. Real-time visibility. Real-time tracking of global trade activities allows for quick issue identification and resolution. Risk reduction. Automation of trade compliance checks and real-time alerts helps mitigate compliance risks and potential penalties. Enhanced efficiency. Automation and streamlined workflows improve the efficiency of global trade processes. This scalable and flexible solution caters to businesses of all sizes and industries. It can be used for tasks such as automating trade compliance checks, generating accurate trade declarations, managing trade preferences, and analyzing trade data to make more informed decisions, ultimately helping businesses save money and improve their global trade management. Advantages of choosing for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, GTS. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, GTS, offers several key advantages for businesses. Comprehensive functionality. SAP S4hana GTS provides a full range of tools for global trade management, covering compliance, execution, and reporting. Seamless integration. It smoothly integrates with other SAP solutions, ensuring a cohesive user experience and streamlining trade processes. Real-time visibility. Offers real-time insights into global trade activities, aiding quick decision-making and adaptation to trade landscape changes. Scalability and performance. Suitable for businesses of all sizes, offering scalability and high performance. Cloud-ready. Flexible deployment options in both on-premise and cloud configurations. Specific benefits include reduced compliance risks, automates compliance checks and provides real-time visibility, reducing risks. Enhanced efficiency, streamlines processes and automates tasks, improving trade efficiency. Increased profitability, provides insights into trade performance and optimization opportunities. In summary, SAP S4hana GTS is a robust solution that reduces costs, enhances efficiency, and boosts profitability in global trade management. It's worth exploring for your business needs. Key benefits of SAP S4hana Global Trade Services. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services offers several key benefits. Trade compliance. It helps businesses navigate complex global trade regulations, ensuring they adhere to trade agreements, customs rules, and sanctions. Cost reduction. The platform streamlines trade processes, automates tasks, and optimizes duty calculations, ultimately cutting down trade-related expenses. Visibility and control. Businesses gain a unified view of their global trade operations, granting them better oversight and control. Efficiency. Automation of manual tasks like document generation and compliance checks enhances trade efficiency. Risk reduction. It minimizes the risk of trade penalties and fines by ensuring compliance. Additional advantages include integration, seamless integration with other SAP solutions for end-to-end global trade process optimization. Deployment options. It is available for both cloud and on-premise deployments, providing flexibility. Regular updates. SAP consistently enhances the software with new features, ensuring access to the latest global trade management solutions. In summary, SAP S4hana Global Trade Services is a comprehensive tool for improving global trade operations. Core components of SAP S4hana GTS. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, GTS, offers essential components and features for efficient global trade management. Compliance management ensures adherence to global trade regulations, including export controls, import licensing, and customs declarations. Customs management streamlines customs processes, including clearance, trade preference management, and compliance reporting. Risk management identifies and manages trade risks like fraud, sanctions violations, and supply chain disruptions. Electronic compliance reporting simplifies electronic submission of trade compliance reports to government agencies. Additional features include trade order management, trade preference management, free trade agreement management, sanctions screening, embargo management, and trade analytics. Benefits of SAP S4hana GTS. Reduced compliance risk, minimizes the risk of regulatory violations. Enhanced supply chain efficiency, optimizes supply chain processes. Lower trade costs, reduces trade-related expenses. Increased trade agility, improves flexibility in global trade. Improved customer service, enhances customer satisfaction. Real-world examples: Nike reduced trade costs by 10% and improved trade compliance by 20% through SAP S4hana GTS. In summary, SAP S4hana GTS is a robust solution for businesses to streamline and optimize global trade operations, ensuring compliance and efficiency. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Overview. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, GTS, is a powerful tool for managing global trade efficiently. It comprises three core components. Trade compliance. GTS helps businesses comply with complex global trade regulations by offering a rules engine to identify and manage trade compliance rules, screening for compliance risks, and generating compliance reports. Trade execution. This component streamlines trade transactions from order creation to declaration filing and document management, covering imports, exports, and in-transit movements. Trade reporting and analytics. GTS provides tools for generating reports and analyzing trade data, enabling businesses to identify trends, improve processes, and reduce costs. SAP S4hana GTS supports various global trade management processes, including trade compliance, trade execution, trade finance, management of free trade agreements, and integration with SAP supply chain management. Furthermore, it seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions like SAP S4hana, SAP ERP, and SAP Ariba to enhance trade order automation, improve compliance management, and enhance supply chain visibility and control. SAP S4hana GTS is a comprehensive and efficient solution for global trade management. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Configuration. Configuring SAP S4hana Global Trade Services involves several key steps. Installation and activation. Begin by installing and activating the SAP S4hana Global Trade Services components. System configuration. Adjust system settings like default country, language, and currency to align with your needs. User roles. Create and manage user roles and permissions for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services to control user access and tasks. Integration. Integrate SAP S4hana Global Trade Services with other SAP solutions like ERP and transportation management for seamless operations. Trade lane and compliance rules. Define trade lanes, routes for goods and services, and trade compliance rules, regulations for imports and exports. Global trade settings. Configure customs procedures, preferential trade agreements, and other global trade parameters. User permissions. Define specific permissions for each user role and assign these roles to individual users or groups. Once these steps are completed, you'll be ready to use SAP S4hana Global Trade Services effectively for managing your global trade operations. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Trade Execution. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services simplifies global trade operations with various features. Trade orders. Easily create and manage trade orders using templates with preset settings. The trade order workbench keeps everything organized and allows for approvals. Trade declarations. Speed up declaration creation using templates with key information. The declaration workbench manages and edits declarations, and you can submit them electronically to customs authorities. Trade compliance. Ensure compliance with trade regulations using rules and automatic checks during order and declaration creation. Monitor compliance with reports. For example, a company uses SAP S4hana Global Trade Services to quickly create and manage trade orders with preset templates, checks them in the trade order workbench, and easily generates and submits compliant trade declarations. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Reporting and Analytics. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services (GTS) offers robust reporting and analytics tools for businesses to oversee their global trade operations. These tools enable the creation of both standard and customized reports on various aspects of global trade, including trade volumes, compliance, risks, costs, and trends. Standard reports are readily available, covering trade declarations, preferences, sanctions, performance, and compliance. Additionally, GTS allows businesses to design tailor-made reports based on specific criteria like product type, trade lanes, or customers. Furthermore, GTS provides analytical tools that help organizations identify trends and opportunities within their global trade data. This data can be sliced and diced by parameters such as product type, trade lanes, or customers, and it can be visualized through charts, graphs, and maps. By harnessing these features, businesses can uncover valuable insights, like emerging product demand in specific markets, enabling them to make informed decisions and strategize effectively for their global trade activities. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Best Practices. Best practices for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services. Thoroughly configure SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, including trade lanes and compliance rules. Leverage integration with other SAP solutions to streamline global trade processes and ensure data consistency. Establish a well-defined trade compliance process to meet all regulations. Utilize reporting and analytics for insights into trade activities to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. Tips for optimization. Use the simulator to test trade configurations before executing live transactions. Monitor compliance risks with the watchlist feature. Automate trade order creation and processing using the trade order management tool. Streamline trade declaration creation and submission with the trade declaration tool. Additional tips. Ensure accurate product classification with the classification engine for trade compliance. Manage trade preferences and reduce duties with the preference management tool. Take advantage of free trade agreements with the free trade agreement management tool. Integrate global trade processes with supply chain operations using the supply chain integration tool to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Avoid these pitfalls. Inadequate configuration leading to errors and compliance violations. Neglecting SAP S4hana Global Trade Services integration, resulting in manual data entry and inconsistencies. Lack of a robust trade compliance process, leading to costly penalties. Failing to utilize reporting and analytics for missed opportunities to enhance trade operations. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services in the cloud. Deploying and managing SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, GTS, in the cloud is a smart choice with various advantages. Here's how to do it. Choose your cloud provider. Pick a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud that suits your needs. Create an SAP Cloud Platform account. If you don't have one, create a free SAP Cloud Platform account. Subscribe to SAP S4hana GTS. Subscribe to SAP S4hana GTS through SAP Cloud Platform. Deploy GTS. Once subscribed, deploy SAP S4hana GTS to your SAP Cloud Platform account. Configure and manage. You can configure and manage GTS using the SAP Cloud Platform cockpit. Benefits of using SAP S4hana Global Trade Services in the cloud. Cost reduction. Save on IT costs, including hardware and software expenses. Enhanced agility. Be more adaptable and responsive to change. Scalability. Easily adjust your IT resources as needed. Security. Benefit from robust cloud security features. Global reach. Deploy applications and data globally. Specific benefits include reduced compliance risk, access to the latest compliance tools and updates. Improved trade efficiency, real-time data for more efficient trade processes. Enhanced customer service, better shipment tracking and management. In summary, deploying SAP S4hana GTS in the cloud offers cost savings, flexibility, and improved trade operations. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Future Roadmap. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services, GTS, is continuously evolving to better assist businesses in managing global trade. Here's what's in store. Enhanced integration. SAP S4hana GTS will tightly integrate with other SAP solutions, like Ariba and Transportation Management, for streamlined global trade operations and real-time insights. AI and machine learning. Automation with AI and machine learning will improve trade compliance checks, risk assessment, and fraud detection, saving time and enhancing compliance. Blockchain support. Increased support for blockchain will simplify processes like trade finance and documentation, cutting costs, enhancing transparency, and speeding up transactions. Trade agreement support. Improved support for trade agreements, such as USMCA and RCEP, will ensure compliance and take advantage of preferential trade benefits. Supply chain features. New features for supply chain management, including trade lane optimization and risk management, will boost supply chain efficiency and resilience. SAP is also committed to enhancing performance, scalability, security, user-friendliness, and implementation of SAP S4hana GTS, ensuring it remains a comprehensive and innovative trade management solution. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Certification. The SAP S4hana Global Trade Services (GTS) certification is a professional credential that demonstrates your expertise in using SAP S4hana GTS for managing global trade processes. It involves a two-part exam. Part 1 covers SAP S4hana GTS overview, core components, trade processes, and integration with other SAP solutions. Part 2 focuses on configuring the GTS environment, defining trade settings, user management, trade order processing, compliance, reporting, and data analysis. To prepare, SAP recommends taking courses like GTS 100 and GTS 200. Additional resources, including training materials and practice exams, are available on the SAP website. Benefits of the certification: more job opportunities, higher earning potential, enhanced professional credibility, improved career prospects. Visit the SAP website to explore exam details and preparation resources. The demand for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services (GTS) professionals is on the rise in India, with a 25% increase in job opportunities in the past year, according to a report from Naukri.com. Key career opportunities for SAP S4hana GTS professionals in India include roles like SAP S4hana GTS Consultant. They assist businesses in implementing, configuring, and customizing SAP S4hana GTS to meet their unique needs. SAP S4hana GTS Business Analyst. These professionals work with companies to improve global trade processes by implementing SAP S4hana GTS solutions. SAP S4hana GTS Developer. They create and maintain custom SAP S4hana GTS applications and integrations. SAP S4hana GTS Project Manager, responsible for planning and executing GTS implementation projects, ensuring they stay on time and budget. Top companies hiring SAP S4hana GTS professionals in India include Accenture, Deloitte, EY, and more. To prepare for a career in SAP S4hana GTS, consider earning a related bachelor's degree, gaining experience in global trade or SAP ERP, getting certified in SAP S4hana GTS, and honing skills in data analysis and problem solving. This will help you succeed in the field. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Career Opportunities in India. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Salary Expectation in India. The average annual salary for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services professionals in India is around 15 lakhs rupees, but this can vary based on factors like experience, skills, location, and company size. Here's a breakdown by experience level. Entry level, 7 lakhs rupees to 10 lakhs rupees. Mid-level, 10 lakhs rupees to 15 lakhs rupees. Senior level, 15 lakhs rupees to 25 lakhs rupees. Professionals with sought-after skills like machine learning, blockchain, and knowledge of trade agreements can earn higher salaries. Working in major cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi tends to offer higher salaries compared to smaller towns. In-demand skills for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services professionals in India include SAP S4hana Global Trade Services Configuration and Administration. Understanding of global trade compliance regulations. Expertise in trade execution and documentation. Proficiency in reporting and analytics tools. Familiarity with machine learning, blockchain, and trade agreements. To excel in this career, consider taking online courses, attending training programs, and gaining hands-on experience in these areas. Why choose for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services online training? There are many reasons to choose SAP S4hana Global Trade Services GTS online training. Here are a few of the most important. Convenience. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own time. You can access the training materials and activities from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Flexibility. Online training is more flexible than traditional classroom training. You can start and stop the training at any time, and you can review the materials as many times as you need to. Affordability. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. There is no need to travel or pay for accommodation and meals. Quality. Online training can be just as high quality as traditional classroom training. Many online training courses are taught by experienced SAP instructors, and they use the same materials and activities as classroom courses. In addition to these general benefits, there are also some specific benefits to choosing SAP S4hana GTS online training. Learn about the latest features and functionality. SAP S4hana GTS is a rapidly evolving solution, and online training can help you stay up to date on the latest features and functionality. Prepare for SAP certifications. SAP S4hana GTS online training can help you prepare for SAP certifications, such as the Certified SAP Application Associate Global Trade Services (GTS) qualification. Advance your career. SAP S4hana GTS is a highly in-demand skill, and SAP S4hana GTS online training can help you develop the skills and knowledge you need to advance your career. Overall, SAP S4hana GTS online training is a convenient, flexible, affordable, and high-quality way to learn about this important SAP solution. Advantages of choosing for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services online training. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services (GTS) online training offers several key benefits. Convenience. Learn at your own pace from anywhere with an internet connection. Cost-effective. No need for travel or accommodation expenses. Variety of options. Choose from self-paced or live instructor-led courses to suit your learning style. Expert instructors. Learn from experienced SAP S4hana GTS professionals for up-to-date knowledge. Hands-on practice. Gain practical experience through exercises and simulations. Specifically, enhance global trade skills. Master the comprehensive SAP S4hana GTS for efficient trade management. Boost job prospects. Make yourself more attractive to employers in this high-demand field. Career advancement. Position yourself for growth within your organization by mastering SAP S4hana GTS through online training. Topics covered in SAP S4hana Global Trade Services online training. SAP S4hana Global Trade Services (GTS) online training typically includes Introduction to SAP S4hana GTS. Overview of SAP S4hana GTS. GTS configuration. Trade execution. Reporting and analytics. Best practices. GTS in the cloud. Future roadmap. Some courses may also cover specialized topics like GTS and the Intelligent Enterprise, GTS and Machine Learning, GTS and Blockchain, GTS and Trade Agreements, GTS and Supply Chain Management. These courses equip participants with the skills to effectively manage global trade using SAP S4hana GTS. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services online training? Proexcellency is the ideal choice for SAP S4hana Global Trade Services (GTS) online training for several key reasons. Industry experts, our instructors have extensive experience and certifications in SAP S4hana GTS, providing deep insights into global trade practices and regulations. Comprehensive learning. Our curriculum covers all aspects of global trade management, staying up to date with the latest SAP S4hana GTS and global trade regulations. Interactive approach. Students engage in hands-on exercises, real-world simulations, and case studies for practical, skill-building learning. Flexible options. Choose from self-paced, live online, or blended learning to suit your schedule and preferences. Affordable pricing. Proexcellency offers competitive pricing, ensuring excellent value for your investment. Additional benefits. Lifetime access. Enjoy lifetime access to training materials for continuous learning and reference. Technical support. Our dedicated support team is ready to assist with any questions or issues. Job placement help. Graduates can access our job placement assistance to connect with potential employers. In summary, Proexcellency provides the expertise and resources necessary for a successful global trade career through its experienced instructors, comprehensive curriculum, and flexible learning options. Contact us. 0803150868 vertical bar +918722079509. www.proexcellency.com. afan@proexcellency.com. info@proexcellency.com. Bangalore, India. Thank you. Do you any question?